So I finally got that torsion damper removed, and the crankcase is open. So what I can see here is that the crank is really nice. No scars, nothing. The bearing cups looks also really nice. I think almost new. And I can also see it says 0.10 US, so that must mean 0.10 undersize, right? Let's see if I can get any kind of view on that. There. Yeah, 0.10 US. So probably the crank has been ground, and there is all new bearings in there. What I found in the in the oil pan is some kind of gunk. I don't know what that comes from. Also, I found this. Quite a lot of play in the camshaft. I don't know if that is normal. There should be some axial bearings, I guess. But also, there's some teeth missing on that injection pump drive gear. And as well on the camshaft gear. And there you can see. So that's fucked up. It needs a new cam and a new injection pump gear, because this is what I found. So the lock ring was loose inside here, so probably this gear slided in somehow, and I don't know what it could be that it hit. Also the chain is quite sloppy. I don't know if that is normal. This seems a little bit too much. I guess I have yet to find out if the cam timing is off. There is a mark there. I'm gonna spin it around and see if the marks match. Maybe that's the problem that happened when they assembled it. But again, if the cam was off and it bent all the push rod on the first start, it couldn't have coked up that piston so much. So also I examined the pistons, and they look really brand new actually. Yeah, some tiny scratches, but not much at all. And on the underside there is kind of no oil coking. So yeah. I can't tell if the cylinders has been bored, but I see a crosshatch here. I have to measure them. I don't have any internal gauge, but there is no reams at all, nothing. So I don't know. I don't see much of crosshatch left on in the cylinders where the piston has been going up and down. Also there is some pitting as well, rust pitting. That's also a bit strange. If it has been machined, then that wouldn't be there. So I don't know, really. I have no clue what has happened to this engine at all. Obviously it has been rebuilt at some point. I don't even know. It's a D block, so probably the bolts are the main bearing bolts are too short. I don't know how to. I need to measure the length. Also, I can see, yeah, here the holes have been drilled through. I don't know if that's the case on the D blocks. Let's see if I can. It's not really easy to get a picture of that, but I can see the holes going through there. Then I have to check the length of the bolts. So I don't know what's going to happen here. I mean, I'm going to take all the rod bearings off and examine them, but I can't. There is no play at all here. Of course, this is not the correct way to measure it, but still, I've seen way worse. I can't feel any play, and I see that it might be new bearings, and the crank bearings are new as well, probably. So I mean, maybe I could convert this one to a DX block and skip going with that block. So I can use this one and make sure that I have the correct length of the bearing bolts or cap bolts here, and also use this crank. Probably reuse these bearings as they look really nice. I have to examine them all and measure the play. But the cam needs replacement, so probably I'm gonna go with a roller cam. I can see if the cam in this one is good. I don't know how much I can interchange between the blocks to avoid getting a really Frankenstein engine. Probably I can take the DX cam and the roller lifters if the bores are the same. Also, what I notice is that here there is this metal kind of thingy that holds down. Actually, these bores looks bigger than these ones. Yeah, so probably I can't use roller lifters in the D block. Okay, no roller cam for that one. I can clearly see that there is a size difference there. Okay, well, I have something to think about now. That's all for now. Bye bye.